Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I finally received my Ipsy. As I'm filming this, it's the evening of the 29th of September. They tried to send it to me earlier this month, but they sent it to my old address even though I had updated it to my new address. And so it got sent back to them, and they have included in my Ipsy this month like is consolidation the right word for that? No. Consolation? There we go. Consolidation. It's late and I have worked a lot today. I worked an 8-hour shift and then I came home and passed out for a couple hours, so it's pretty late at night. If you guys are interested in seeing what I got this month, I know it's super late and most of you will probably already have received your Ipsies, but I thought I'd open it for you guys on camera anyway. And if you like what you see, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Let's do this. The last Ipsy I got was in July. I skipped August because I was moving and I wanted to save that $10. I don't know what my reasoning was there. So now we're back at it. The bag this month is super cute. It's got eyelashes on it. That's really, really cute. The past several that I've gotten have been like a faux leather, and this is a fabric bag. The question is, who isn't going to let me? It's who's going to stop me. So the first product in the bag is a little bit smashed. Not been a good month for Ipsy, I guess. This is from Sahai Cosmetics. It is a cream metallic foil eyeshadow with jojoba oil. Foil eyeshadows always get really messy really fast. Ulta brand has some, and they are the messiest testers that we have in the store. It looks like this. This is in the shade Dubai. And here's a swatch. It's really kind of subtle for a glitter foil shadow that I'm used to. Most foil shadows, I would put ColourPop in the range of foil shadows, are a lot more pigmented than this one, but it is really pretty. This is a mini lip glaze from Trestique. I like the packaging. It already looks like it's open because of the tip here. This is in the shade Mumbai Magenta. We'll put it right here. That is so pink. Whoa. I don't wear a lot of like hot pink lip colors. It's kind of sheer and very, very glossy. It's pretty. I don't know how much use I'll get out of it though. I get a lot of product. Like, it's just a little too neon pink for me. Was you supposed to get 5? Okay, next is a Luxie brush. This is the Detailed Taper Blender with the Wonder Woman insignia on it. What? Can you see that? That's really random. I don't know what you would use this for. It seems like it's too thick to be for eyeshadow. Detailed Tapered Blender. I like it because it's Wonder Woman. Wonder Woman's pretty dope. Oh my gosh, did that sentence just come out of my mouth? And the last item in my bag is the Morphe highlighter, high impact highlighter in Spark. We do sell these at Ulta. I've not picked one up because I knew that I was getting one in this month's box or bag. It's pretty decently sized pan. Very creamy. I was worried that this would be too deep for me, but I don't think it will be. It's very, very creamy and very pigmented. I'm gonna check my email really quickly, because don't you usually get 5 products in your Ipsy? That's everything that's in here, and that doesn't feel like... Hang on. So yes, I am missing a product. It looks like I was supposed to get a face mask as well. I didn't get whatever their consolation item was. So I'm going to be communicating with them some more this month, I guess. I don't ever mean to be like picky bitchy about stuff, but if you say you're going to send me 5 things and an additional one for my troubles, I kind of hope that you would. I guess for my 4 items, really the main thing that I'm the most excited for is the highlight from Morphe. I don't know what to do with this brush. I have no idea what you would use this for. I do like that it's Wonder Woman. I don't know why it's Wonder Woman, but that's pretty cool. And then I don't much care for the foiled shadow, and that lip color is too pink for me. So that's a bit of a letdown for this month. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe before you go, and I'll see you next time. Bye!